Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for Simon Says Stamp, and I have our card kit and reveal for this month's card kit called Hello Darling. I will start you off with our new and exclusive stamp set, which is called Hello Darling, and this is 6 by 8. It features a lot of words and flowers, and I'll start you off at the top where it's open letters where you can color those in. Also adorable flowers, leaves, and pots so you can build your own flower arrangements. There is some solid imagery to the left. We have some leaves that says Hello Spring and also some larger leaves. There is a large message in the center, Hello Darling, and also some smaller ones to the side. There are also some mixed greetings and also some border strips and a bike. This is a great stamp set to break you into spring and also for everyday card making. Another new and exclusive product from Simon Says Stamp is the Rainboot Planter die, and this is an adorable die. I've done some paper piecing. I'll show you what I've done where I have die cut some Desert Storm cardstock and then some white paper and colored my flowers. I colored my boots a little bit and then I pieced it back together. Also included in your kit is one bottle of Tonic Bohemian Teal Nouveau Vintage Drops, and this is a really pretty blue to go along with the papers. And speaking of papers, we have 12 double-sided sheets. These are from Simple Stories, and that is their Spring Farmhouse collection. These are 6 by 8 papers, and they're really beautiful with some great muted tones. There are a lot of florals and fine details on the back side, also some larger pieces that you could frame or mount, and some great stripes. Being that these are a larger size paper, you could probably get 2 card backgrounds from each sheet of paper. You could also use part of the front and then also have enough of one of the backgrounds on the back for another card. If you're wondering what inks would go well with these, I've discovered that the Simon Says Stamp inks Cotton Candy and Twirling Tutu for the pink, Winter Sky for the blue, Dusty Sage for the green, and then finally Duckling for the yellow. These paper designs are perfect to get you jump started into spring and also thinking about some gardening. So that is 12 sheets of the Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse 6 by 8 inch papers. We also have the Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse stickers. There are 2 sheets that you get. These are exclusive and 4 by 6. One is a little bit more visual and the other one has a little bit more typography and messages. We've also included a 4 by 6 sheet of Sizzix black foam adhesive that you can cut up and use to foam mount some of your pieces. We also have 4 envelopes this month, and that is dark chocolate, ivory, cotton candy, and metallic sea glass. You'll also find a sheet of craft 6 by 6 cardstock in your kit, and our papers this month are cotton candy, ivory, sea glass, and dark chocolate. That is the contents of our Hello Darling card kit. And next up is some inspiration from our designers, starting with Heather Hoffman, where she has watercolored the Rain Boot planner die and gold embossed a message onto some vellum. Cindy Norberg created an amazing arrangement of flowers by stacking up the blossom stamps along with the stems and leaves to create some hollyhocks. And finally, I created a frame using the dark chocolate cardstock and put that over some pattern paper to have a place to put my Rain Boot planner die. And then I finished it off with a sticker to complete my greeting. I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough and some of the inspiration for our card kit Hello Darling. Be sure to check out our blog and gallery for more ideas. And as always, thanks so much for watching.